Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale affiliate marketing with GoDaddy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your affiliate marketing efforts using GoDaddy, start by signing into your GoDaddy account. If you don't have an account, create one and choose a domain that reflects your brand. Once logged in, navigate to the GoDaddy affiliate program page. Read through the program details and sign up to become an affiliate. After you're approved, log back into your account and access your affiliate dashboard. Here, you will find unique links and banners to promote various GoDaddy products. Select the products that align with your niche or audience needs. Use these affiliate links in your content, whether it be on a blog, social media, or email marketing campaigns. To drive traffic, consider creating informative articles or tutorials featuring GoDaddy services. Incorporate SEO best practices to optimize your content for search engines. Promote your articles through social media channels, leveraging engaging visuals and calls to action. Monitor your analytics through GoDaddy's affiliate dashboard to track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Adjust your strategies based on the data, focusing more on what drives the most engagement. Engage with your audience by answering questions and providing valuable insights related to GoDaddy products. Collaborate with other marketers or bloggers to expand your reach and generate more traffic. Consider using paid advertising to boost visibility, especially for high-converting products. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant, ensuring it stays valuable to your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your affiliate marketing efforts using GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.